What if I told you you could run your own AI-powered news channel without showing your face, hiring a team, or writing a single line of script? Sounds unreal, right? Well, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it, step by step, from beginner to pro editor. And by the end of this video, we'll compare the final results of the beginner version and the pro version. Let me know which one you like in the comments. Let's go. Step 1. Find a trending topic. Let's start with the basics, picking the right topic. Just head over to Google Trends or Google News. These platforms are gold mines for current and trending stories. First, I'm going to use Google News, and I'll choose technology as the topic I want. I'm going to quickly scan through this news webpage to get a general idea of what topics are covered. Then, I'll pick the ones that interest me, copy the keywords and search them on Google Trends to see if there's any search volume. Like this one, you can see the search volume is very high in recent days, and that means this is a good topic. Now, copy the news content and let's move on to the next step. Step 2. Generate your script with AI. Once you've chosen a topic, it's time to bring in the AI magic. Open ChatGPT and type, "Write a script for a news channel on this news." Now just hit send, and boom, your full news script is good to go. Step 3. Generate AI news channel avatar. Now open Edimakor. If you haven't downloaded it, click the link in the description area. After you open it, let's go to the AI avatar section. Paste the script you just generated. Under that, choose an avatar voice you like. Now scroll down. You'll see a bunch of built-in avatars are available. And Edimakor offers you a wide range of avatars in different styles, like daily, speech, profession, live stream, education, cartoon, fashion, and animal. It covers almost all kinds of avatar styles. You can simply find one that fits your content and hit generate. And you've got your news report video done in minutes.
Good evening, and welcome to Tech Today. I'm Ruby, and we begin with one of the most anticipated smartphone releases of the year.
Want something even more customized? Use the AI image feature. Back to the media section, select AI image. Paste your avatar prompt, select the style of image, change the settings if you need, and hit generate. Now, you've got a unique high-quality avatar tailored just for your video. Look at the result. You may notice something unnatural about it. What to know how to fix it? I'll show you in a minute. You know, when it comes to editing, the difference between beginners and pro editors is all about the details. Sure, the simple ways also look good, but if you want to viral your videos, you need to do more. Step 4. Pro editing skill. Okay, now let me show you how it's done. Go back to the beginning, where we got the script from ChatGPT. The next step is to go to the audio section in Edimakor. Select text to speech and paste the script over here. Choose the voiceover you like. Remember to choose a profession, clear voice. That will perform better. Now hit generate, and your voiceover will be ready in just a few seconds. Let's play it back.
Good evening, and welcome to Tech Today. I'm Ruby, and we begin with one of the most...
It sounds pretty decent at first, but when you compare it to voiceovers from top-performing channels, you'll notice it feels a bit flat and lacks energy. So why does this happen? The key difference is in the pacing, especially how sentences flow and where the pauses are. Pro-level channels keep their delivery tight. They trim long pauses and slightly speed up the voiceover, usually to around 1.1x or 1.2x. This simple tweak makes the narration feel more energetic and keeps viewers engaged. So that's exactly what we're going to do. Speed up the voiceover and trim those long pauses. Now listen to it.
Good evening, and welcome to Tech Today. I'm Ruby, and we begin with one of the most anticipated smartphone releases of the year, the Samsung Galaxy Z.
Sounds much better, right? Go ahead and export it as an audio file. Next, let's fix the stiffness in the avatar. Go to AI Image My Creation. Send the avatar image to video. Use the prompt like steady eye contact and subtle facial engagement while seated and talking, or gentle posture shifts with light neck motion as if reporting the news. You can always generate the prompts using AI. Try all different kinds of prompts to test the result. But here, I just use this prompt and hit generate. Now, you can see this image is animated with good, natural, micro body movements, just like a real human. And now, the final step. Go to the avatar section, and instead of using the AI avatar feature directly, let's use video lip sync. Upload the voiceover and the video you just saved, and hit generate. Now let's compare it.
Good evening, and welcome to Tech Today. I'm Ruby, and we begin with one of the most anticipated smartphone releases of the year. Good evening, and welcome to Tech Today. I'm Ruby, and we begin with one of the most anticipated smartphone releases of the year, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7.
The second version feels way more natural, right? So go ahead, try it for yourself. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more easy AI tutorials, just like this one.